Hi, this is the review of the order trading system activity for August the 27th, 2021. We had two trades on that day. Both were short sells. First trade was LX. Lexin Fintech Holdings Limited tripped at 12:45:27 p.m. at a price of 653. It closed the day at 662, up 1.38%, so that's not good, as it closed above stripping price. For a short sell, we needed to be down. Okay, 12:45. Yeah. It came down, and then it recovered right after that. So that stock, not really promising, obviously. As you can see, volume came down, and it stayed down pretty much after it fell down. So it came down, tripped, and then stabilized there. MACD, you can see it came down, tripped, but you can see averages, they started recovering afterwards and actually basically came back up to previous activity. And same thing, DI, you can see, look, it tripped around here, but the averages recovered. Excuse me, the individual index recovered afterwards. End of day, it's somewhat almost, but not exactly. It's technically, kind of like even between shorting and, down and upwards activity, basically sideways movements, DI showing. But DI is actually showing that was positive more than negative, so that's a big question mark there. And again, Bollinger Band, it came down a bit and then recovered. The stock was moving basically positive after it tripped, and it didn't maintain any kind of negative movement. So there's no possibility on that stock. Next trade is NEE. Excuse me. That's Next Air Energy Incorporated, tripped at 1:05:13 p.m. at a price of 83.70. And it closed at the 83.41, which is good because that makes it a positive result. And we'll check the indicators to see what they say. Volume pretty much showing that during the afternoon period, volume came down. MACD, you can see it was dropping pretty much around, it came down, tripped, continued moving down. Averages started to recover a little bit though in the late afternoon. DI though, you can see it tripped and tripped very heavily. Like its average on the index was very heavy negative, even though you could see it was starting to come back positive. But here, almost sideways movements here, but it still looked like it was maintaining a downward push, and Bollinger Band showing pretty much a negative downward trend. So that stock definitely was moving negative. And so that's it for today. So two stocks with still 50% for the positive, and possible is also 50% because the other one did not show any kind of negative movement after a trip. So only one stock out of two. Okay, not a great day, but not a terrible day. I'll leave it at that. Thanks.